What's up guys, Ryan here. So today I'm doing a video in response to a question that I think someone either asked me in my Facebook group or via email in response to one of my free passive income mini courses, which you guys should check out if you haven't already. Links are always below. And they asked me how many sales they can expect to get from Amazon FBM print on demand. So FBM means, everybody talks about Amazon FBA. Amazon FBM means fulfilled by merchant, which is when you list products that you don't have to pay for in advance. With FBA, you're typically sourcing them from overseas. You're already invested monetarily, and your goal is to move the product, and they're Prime eligible. And it's the opposite business model of print on demand, where print on demand, the product doesn't have to exist until after it's purchased. So obviously print on demand by nature is more competitive, more saturated, etc. Now, in response to his question, I'm showing my numbers right here. I protected the niches, but besides that, I've put it all out there and with the screenshot. So I do always upload new FBM POD products to my Amazon Seller Central account on .com and on .co.uk all day, pretty much every day while I'm at a computer. And you can do it from your phone using Gearbubble too, by the way. I've done another video on that, but I like to upload mainly Printful products. So I try to do Printful while I'm at a computer. The result is I have 13,539 products on my Seller Central account. About 40 of them are FBA products. Not all of them are active, but about 40 are FBA. The rest are fulfilled by merchant print on demand, either fulfilled by Gearbubble or Printful. And the reason that my number is so high is because I uploaded all of my t-shirt optimized designs to coffee mugs when I found out about Gearbubble. And instead of condensing 11 ounce mug with 15 ounce mug with 11 ounce and then white and black version, I split them all up. So one design would go as a listing as a 11 ounce white mug, and then a separate listing as a 15 ounce white mug, then an 11 ounce black mug and a 15 ounce black mug and a shot glass, etc. This was before they allowed you, as far as I knew, allowed you to create them as one listing as parent-child variations, that's a big contributor to why I have so many listings and not as many sales as you would expect. So here's my June 2019 income report. And as you can see here, I have, and this is just my dropshipped print on demand sales. So this is excluding FBA. This is excluding Amazon merch. This is just Seller Central FBM print on demand sales. I have 198 sales through Amazon. Some of those came through Gearbubble fulfilled products. Most of them came through Printful fulfilled products. My time is spread very thin. There are people who, if they had 13,000 FBM print on demand products on Amazon, would sell way more. But I'm in the Facebook group with these people, so I know that it can be done. But they're taking a lot more time to research designs, taking a lot more time to design the designs. And for me, it's I'm just trying to get as much bang for my buck as I possibly can. I want a design that looks good on a t-shirt, that sells primarily on t-shirts, that I can go slap on a coffee mug and upload through Gearbubble. Or, a lot of these are Printful hats as well. And I don't even necessarily research hats. A lot of times I can just think up stuff and put it up there. And surprisingly, due to the low bar of competition, I do get some sales. Now, it's not like everything I think up sells, but I've had a good number. I'm proud to say more than a handful of completely custom ideas pop into my head and I throw it up and then they sell. My bestsellers that's not the case with bestsellers, by the way. Full disclosure, obviously. The bestsellers are what's already out there. If you've been following me, I preach to research the marketplace, figure out what customers are searching for, and then provide them that. Right? It's simple, supply and demand. If we're the suppliers, we look for the demand. That's why we sell on Amazon primarily anyways, right? It's where the customers are going. So follow the customer, then figure out the demand. Step 1, follow them. All right, we're on Amazon. Step 2, what do they want? Figure out how to give it to them. Step 3, just profit, right? All the systems are in place to passively fulfill all these orders with Printful and Gearbubble and Amazon merch and whatever you're using. With Amazon FBA, though, which is my most profitable passive income vehicle, we do a little bit more of the work, but that higher barrier of entry keeps a lot of people out. And you know, hey, congratulations, you found my channel, you found me. I spent over a year writing an Amazon FBA course. If you guys want to learn, I have a free mini course that'll get you started. And if you want the whole thing, like, just check it out. I spent over a year writing it. It's the most thorough course on the internet. I promise you it works. It's exactly what I'm doing as a 7-figure Amazon seller who has a 9-to-5 job and a second job. So if I can do it while working 2 jobs, I know you guys can do it. I worked a lot of weekends on it too, by the way. So it'd be nice if everybody got some value out of it, because I definitely put like blood, sweat, and tears in there. But anyways, to answer the question, like, I have 13,539 FBM print-on-demand products on Amazon. This is just on .com. On .co.uk, my numbers are skewed for some reason. All of the child variations show up as products on .co.uk, whereas here on Amazon.com, the child variations are not included in this 13,500. So on .co.uk, it actually looks like I have more products, because if I put a hat that has 15 different color variations, it's going to count that as 15 on .co.uk, whereas on .com, it counts it as 1. I don't know why there's a disparity there. But on .co.uk, I'm really not, I'm selling enough that I'm not losing money with the $40. By the way, if you guys were wondering, you have to pay another $40 a month for a professional seller account to sell on the international markets. But I was selling on FBA Pan-European, so that's why I'm doing that. And, yeah, so you have to be able to justify that $40 a month. I'm able to with my sales at the moment, but it is slow. But I'm assuming it'll grow over time in the future. So this is kind of like an investment for the future points. And I'm hoping that the fourth quarter will pick up, et cetera, and make all this hard work worth it. But also, I mean, it's like I'm already uploading through Printful to Amazon.com anyways. So I just keep multiple tabs open. And if I do it on one, I do it on the other. It's not too hard to figure out. Just make sure on Printful that you sort by European fulfilled products when you're pushing to Europe, because all the same products and variations are not available in both marketplaces. So that's the tip. But yeah, so hopefully this helped. Hopefully the person that asked me the question sees this video. I did take a couple weeks to record it. I recorded it actually like last week and didn't like how it came out, so I deleted it. And I'm going to stop talking before that happens again this week. So thanks for checking out this video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I will see you at the next one.